In our art and craft class, today we will open page number 34 from our book Colors and Craft. We can see a quacky duck here on this page. इसको quacky duck क्यों बोला है? Because duck says quack quack quack. And we will do this activity with the help of pulses, and you will require Fevicol, pulses, dal, and a yellow color. So let us begin to do this activity. First, we will paste dal on the body of this duck. We will also paste dal here on the beak, and after pasting the pulses, we will color this quacky duck. Now we will take Fevicol and we will put a dash of it like this. You will put small dots of Fevicol like this, and we will paste pulses on these dots like this. You can use your pencil, you can use your finger. This way you will stick pulses like this. This way you will stick on this dash of Fevicol like this. इस तरह से आप इसको पेस्ट करेंगे फेविकॉल से. Children, it will take time, but you can do it very carefully. Okay, like this you can paste dal on this Fevicol. It will take time, but you will really like to do this activity. It is very interesting. This way you will stick the pulses like this. Let me put more dots of Fevicol. This way we will put dots here like this, and we will paste dal on this like this. Okay, you will paste dal like this. Understood, children? Isn't it interesting? अच्छी लगी आपको? This way you will paste. You can use your pencil also for sticking these pulses, because pulses are very small. You can use your finger, you can use pencil also for sticking this. This way you will paste pulses on the body of this duck. I have completed most of the part of this quacky duck by sticking the pulses. We will put small dots of Fevicol, and on this we will put this dal. Like this you will also paste the dal, and I will show you how to put it and complete the whole body of this quacky duck Now let us paste pulses on the beak of this quacky duck. Children, here also we will put dots like this. Small dash this way on the beak of this duck, quacky duck, and I'm taking this dal now. That was yellow dal and now I'm taking this dal. You will require 2 types of dals to paste on this quacky duck. One type of dal you will paste on the body of the duck, and this other dal you will paste on the beak of this duck. This way you will paste dal on the beak of this quacky duck. Children, after pasting this, we will now color the remaining body of this duck. Now I have taken yellow color and we will color the rest of the picture as shown here. Okay. This way we will start coloring from here. Very lightly you will color. बहुत lightly आपको करना है yellow color. This way. This way you will finish coloring this rest of the body of this quacky duck. Children, this is the final look of this activity quacky duck.